we're in our remodeling project here, and we took 2 walls down that were right here. And you can see by the patch in the hardwood floor and the fresh plaster patch, and it used to go right into this wall here. It'd come off this wall here. A lot of times when we take a wall out, it leaves a scar. It certainly leaves a scar in the ceiling and the walls, but it leaves a scar in the hardwood floor, and you have to patch that or fix it. And a lot of times what we do, it's very cost effective, is we run what we call a perpendicular patch. And we basically just cut the wall scar wider, and we put 3 hardwood floor boards in perpendicular. And it's a cost effective way to do it. I call it a transition strip. It kind of separates these rooms a little bit. And then we sand the whole floor and finish, and it looks fantastic. It's a great way to do it. Alternatively, you would have to cut back these boards and go back to joints. And basically you would be taking the floor back from here and all the way probably back to here to patch this in. You're not guaranteed the floor will fit right. You're not guaranteed the width is going to be right. So this is a safer way to transition between the 2 floors, and it's a great technique that we use a lot on our remodeling projects. Have a great day.